Now Foods, real food, organic raw almonds, unsalted, 12 ounces, 340 grams. You can buy now this product at the best price, with worldwide delivery, by clicking the link in the description. Product Overview Description: Always non-GMO real food, good source of protein and fiber, grown in the USA, USDA organic non-GMO project verified, always real, nothing artificial, pure goodness, certified organic by Kaya, vegetarian, vegan product. Organic raw almonds. It's hard to beat the satisfying crunch and flavor of Now Real Food organic almonds. There's so much you can do with almonds: roast them for snacking, chop them up for a tasty addition to your favorite recipe, or just eat them right out of the bag. Like many other nuts, almonds are bursting with nutrition. They're a good source of protein and fiber. In fact, almonds may be the most nutrient-rich tree nut of them all. Adding almonds to your diet is a smart and tasty move that can pay dividends for life. Scientific evidence suggests but does not prove that eating 1.5 ounces per day of most nuts, such as almonds, as part of a diet low in saturated fat and cholesterol, may reduce the risk of heart disease. Fresher ingredients simply taste better, which why this product is packaged using Now Fresh Fill technology to maximize flavor and freshness. Because you are what you eat, Now Real Food has been committed to providing delicious, healthy, natural foods since 1968. We're independent, family-owned, and proud of it. Keep it natural. Keep it real. Suggested use: refrigeration recommended after opening. Other ingredients: organic raw almonds. Packaged in a peanut-free facility that processes tree nuts. Disclaimer: While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.